So here we are doing a sneak peek of the kitchen before we do the formal video. And we had quite a bit of a challenge here, besides trying to expand wet over dry and keep the floor levels the same. We have a wine cooler, which is really great. Ample storage underneath. The opening of this kitchen, which I think is pretty unique, has a tandem pocket door, so we're actually looking east to Central Park, on Central Park West, and these doors open together, basically, so they close off. If I close them together, they close off this kitchen to create the family room, which has a TV on the wall that you can see there that can be swiveled. So it actually serves as like an eat-in kitchen table, which I think is pretty cool. It's 15 inches on the family room side and more than 12 inches here with the counters, with the storage underneath. We definitely have, try to think of everything, which I think is kind of cool. We've got an appliance garage here, which is helpful to hide things that you don't want to see. And it pushes back, like you would do with some of the TV appliance cubbies that you try to hide things. We have supply panels that are accessible in the column. Ducts that we have to keep open. We have a induction thermidor cooktop and electric oven. We have pull-out cabinets that are disguised to look like drawers with soft close. Thermidor, really, all of these appliances paneled, I think makes a huge difference in making it feel like it's just tailored and seamless. I love our deep Franke sinks. I would have put a grid on the bottom so I don't have to see the dirt that catches, and a great double garbage rollout. This kitchen is really quite wide. As you can see, it's almost 50 inches, close to 5 feet. Anyway, almost. It's 55 inches, I think, so it makes a huge difference. And I would say it's quite grand, given the color palette and geometry combined with the finish detail at the panel, which is very much a throwback to deco and so typical of my style, in a sense of doing a pre-war justice like this and make it contemporary. I think the glass backsplash and Southstone countertops really make a huge difference. So, not sure about the lights in the family room, but you know what? It's not my palace. Anyway, ciao for now.